Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a grain hopper train. Let's check it out. We don't know if it's very long or this is going to be short. I already had two short ones. It's got the same three hoppers we got, but now the only difference of this is going to be another two more set, probably. Looks like it's all of it to me. Yep. Yep, there's the end. I guess. Yep, there's the end. Seven grain hoppers in this, yeah. There we go. We'll see how many hoppers are gonna drop off here. We don't know if it's This is 5 grain hop. No, this is 7. We just had five 1-engine grain train. Now it's 7 now. And these grain hopper companies called Center Flow. There's like 3 in a row here. There's the end here. Yeah, I was gonna say, where's the horn? All right, we'll be back on with the next train. We're gonna get off. Talk to you later.